Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're an existing viewer, and if you're new, welcome. Lovely to have you here. We've had quite a flurry of new subscriptions lately, which has taken this channel over the magic 1,000 subscribers mark. So thank you to everybody who's subscribed. I really appreciate it. Today we've got a very exciting video. I've got a parcel here from a brand new company called Moon Occult. It's jewellery, I know that much, because the brand owner, the lovely Azariah Moonstone, who you may know from social media, but I will put a picture of her here. She has started this brand up all by herself. She is a one-woman team. She's an absolute whirlwind. I don't know how she does it, especially through lockdown and having another job. But she has started this brand. It's going to be jewellery, clothing, and who knows what else in the future. But she has sent me this parcel to share with you, to see if you'd like to maybe think about buying a couple of things from her. I don't know if you'll still get them in time for Christmas, but you'll definitely get them in time for spring, especially with how we're going with the post at the moment. Azariah Moonstone, as I say, she's an alternative model, and I know her from being local, from London Edge, from alternative modelling, all those places. And she's a lovely girl, and she's paired up with House of Bats to help her produce this jewellery, which is very exciting. It's all 100% recycled acrylic. It's all vegan. It's all cruelty free. And what am I waiting for? Let's get into the unboxing. So here's the package. It comes in a lovely black shiny jiffy bag with a beautiful sticker. My name and address is on the other side. And I have loosened this so that I can open it easily, because it's almost impossible to open just with your nails. It's very secure. So inside, what have we got? We have got, ooh, a lovely purple box with the beautiful branded sticker on it. This is so lovely. And then open it up. There's a little note to me, and it tells me that this is the Eclipse choker collection. Each pendant is made from 100% recycled acrylic, which I think I mentioned in the introduction. Love from Moon Occult. So how exciting. I'll just put that over there. And we've got, let's see what we've got. Oh, look. We've got three packages in here. Look at this. This is so exciting. And I shall open this top one. Oh, and this is so beautiful. Oh, I didn't want to rip it. It's so beautifully packaged with the stickers and oh, look at this. This one is called the 3. That is so beautiful. It's got 3 crescent moon shapes on it. It's just, oh, that's lovely. And it's on this lovely shiny black cotton cord with a silver chain connector. Oh yeah, look at that. That's just fabulous, absolutely gorgeous. So I'll try that one on in a second. So that's the 3. Oh, this is lovely, isn't it? And here's the next one. And this one is called the Veil. Oh, and I'm assuming that that refers to the veil between the worlds, which is thin at Halloween and at the solstices. That's very striking, isn't it? I don't think I've seen anything quite the same as that at all, ever. That's just beautiful. That's the veil then, that one. And we'll move that one over here. And there's another one, look, 3 beautiful necklaces in the Eclipse collection by Moon Occult. And this third, oh, look at this. This is the one that is on all the stickers. This is just called the Occult. And that is gorgeous. Look at that. It's got the 3 in miniature in it. It's a triangle. So it's absolutely gorgeous. I think it's tremendous. And the strap line for Moon Occult is that the things are made by and for the strange and abnormal, which that's me, obviously. So I'm just going to get all 3 so you can see all 3 together, and then I'm going to try them on. The veil, the 3, and the Occult. Absolutely stunning, I'm sure you'll agree, and beautiful design by Azariah Moonstone. I hope this brand really takes off for her. These are £12, plus a little bit of shipping, I imagine. Actually, yeah, plus shipping, there is shipping, but she will ship worldwide as well. So all my friends in America, South America, Europe and Australia, as well as the rest of the world, I highly recommend that you just treat yourself or someone that you love to one of these beautiful necklaces. I mean, I think they're stunning. And of course, they'll go with absolutely anything and everything. You could wear this with a casual outfit. You could wear it with something very bougie, and I think you'll agree that these would look gorgeous with any outfit at all, which I'm just about to prove to you and do the try-ons. This is the first choker. This is called the 3, and as you can see, it's got 3 absolutely gorgeous crescent moons on it. And I think it's a nod towards the triple goddess, who, as you know, in pagan religions is represented by the maiden, the mother and the crone, and that's what's known as the triple goddess, and this is the 3. This choker is called the veil, and I think it refers to the veil between the worlds. This is something that you hear people talk about at Halloween, at summer solstice and at winter solstice, which we are about to come crashing into on December the 21st. And people usually say the veil between worlds is thinnest at these times, so it's quite a spiritual time. And this choker is absolutely the right thing to be wearing. If you've got tattoos, it's not going to clash with them. If you haven't got tattoos, it's going to make a statement, but without really making itself too large across your décolletage. So the veil is the second in the Eclipse pendant series. This is the 3rd in the series, and I'm going to go out on a limb here and say it's my favourite. It's the one which is featured on all of the stickers and the website and the branding. It's called Occult, and of course that word is not necessarily a negative word. It just means hidden, as in hidden knowledge. So as with most things in life, it hasn't got good or bad behind it. It's how you use it and what you do with it that's important. So this is the last of the 3 pendants. I think yeah, okay, it's my favourite. I'm going to wear this one the most, I think, but I am going to get a lot of wear out of all 3 of them because they just go with everything. I mean, I'm wearing them with an off-the-shoulder top. You could wear them with an ordinary scoop neck. You could wear them over something. I think they'd look lovely over a mesh top, actually. And of course, they're going to be absolutely fabulous whatever the season is. So let's just say well done to Azariah Moonstone for designing these. I think each and every one of them is gorgeous, and I hope you think so too. So that's the end of the video then. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed finding out about this lovely new brand, and I hope you go and have a look at her website. I'll put a link in the description box for you so that you can find it easily. And after Christmas, she assures me there will be clothing items coming as well, featuring some of these beautiful designs. So I'm very keen to see what that entails. And it just remains for me to say, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay well, stay safe, stay strange and abnormal. Bye for now, everybody. Bye.